All right, so for these type of practices, would be easy if you know the pKa value, right? If you don't know, it will take a bit longer. But yeah, try to don't look back, right? Look back if you need to, but try not to. The most important one, like carboxylic acid, you need to know what's the pKa is 5, right? Alcohol 16, ammonia 38, and that's it. Who's the most acidic? So A, that's it. Okay, if you know it, it's quick. All right, now this guy come in the group. Remember alkyne, alkene, alkane. Start with alkane, 50, right? What's alkene? 44. Alkyne is 25, much better than a cane and kene. Okay, so alkyne is the most acidic here. In C, pK of this guy, this is carboxylic acid. If you recognize that, C double bond OOH, so that's a pK of 5, around 5. This guy just a regular alcohol, no attached to benzene ring. So this is 16. Hydrochloric acid, -7, right? -8 around that. And we have regular alkane, which is about 50. Okay. All right, down here, what we got? All right, so this is alpha proton off of ketone, about 20. Right. Now this guy in between two ketones, so it's what's the word? Conjugated to the two ketone. The pK of this guy is actually 9, much better, okay, much more acidic. Alkyne, regular alkyne, 25. So we go the 9 one. Okay. All right, now testosterone. So this you're gonna see quite a lot of this in the whole big molecules, and you have to decide where is the most acidic proton. Okay. All right. So let's say what do you see here? So I'm seeing an alcohol about 16 right there. All right. And we have quite a lot of proton of alkane. This is a proton of alkane. All these are alkane. Okay, so pKa 50, but alkane is not really acidic, so I'm not going to talk about it. Okay. Now we have the proton on an alkene. Is it 44? We have a proton, an allylic proton off of alkene. That is an alkene, binylic position, allylic position. This proton is about 41 to 43. All right, and we also have an alpha proton of ketone. It's a ketone group, functional group. The first position, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. This alpha right there. The alpha proton is about 19, about 20. All right, so the most acidic proton is this guy right here. Oh no, hold on, the alcohol, right? Okay, all right, one more. Determine pKa of this acid here. And what is the product of the following acid-base reaction upon treatment with one equivalent of strong base? So the question is, who's the strongest acid here? Add base to react with it. What's the product? Okay. If you still remember, what does base do? Base is gonna go abstract or attack the proton, and you just draw the curved arrow, just like what you used to. All right. Start with A, B, and C. This is alkyne. This is alkane, and we have ammonia. See that? So that's an amine. Alkyne 25, alkane 50, ammonia amine 38. All right, so the most acidic proton is going to be the A. We're going to take base, abstract the proton, attack proton. Two lone pairs go up to the carbon of alkyne, you get a lone pair there. Okay. Now in B, HA and HB, who's the most acidic? I'm sure you know now. So this is alpha proton, right? A is about 9. B is about 20. This is regular alpha proton off of ketone. The base is gonna go attack HA because it's the most acidic. That's the reaction we call a reaction center. Okay, this guy is not a reaction center because this HA is much more acidic than a HB, and that's a product there. Now in C we have A, B, and C. This should be easy for you. We have alkane, and alkyne. All right, so alkane 50, alkene 44, alkyne. It was 50, no, 25, and the most acidic proton is Hc. So we're gonna go abstract proton from Hc. The lone pair goes up to carbon. Ta-da! Like that. Last one, quite a lot of it. We have A, B, C, and D. Okay, start with A. This is a regular alcohol. We're gonna go 16. Hb is on alkenes 44. We got what's that? This is an amine group. So amine like ammonia 38. And this is carboxylic acid, all right? So we got a 5. But it's going to go attack 5-1, the most acidic one, Hc. And you get the 2 lone pair of the oxygen, become 3 lone pairs. Yep, that's it. If you know the pKa, it's easy. If you don't know, it will take you a bit longer. So make sure you know what to memorize. Okay? All right, let's go. We have all right, chapter 3, class activity number 1. We have question 1. question 2 and question 3. All right, that's it. Let's go to the next video.